Welcome back to TechCrumbs. Today we're going to show you how to check storage on the Apple Watch SE. If you've had the watch for a while and maybe you have a lot of apps, you might be running into issues with storage. Maybe you even have some music on the watch so you can go out for runs and you want to make sure how much space you have. So basically you have to click the digital crown, go to settings. Here, I'm already in there, but basically you would go to the settings and general, and in general you can go to storage almost at the very bottom. Here it will load and it will show you what you have in there and how much each app is using. So for example, we can see podcast in my case is the biggest one. Then there seems to be an update I haven't updated yet, and Nike Run and so on. So you can check exactly what apps are becoming heavy on your Apple Watch SE. And here you can probably do some stuff as basically lets you check. It doesn't let you erase any of that. But yeah, that's how you check storage on the Apple Watch SE. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. See you in the next one. Bye.